Hi there, my name is Jen Louis San Jose. You can call me Louis or LJ, either of the two. I think there's a tricycle coming. Yeah, there is. So later. So as I was saying, my name is Jen Louis San Jose, and you can call me Louis or LJ, either of the two. I'm 17 years of age, born at the 13th day of August 1993. I finished my elementary and high school years in Doha, Qatar. Yeah, in Doha, Qatar. I left Philippines when I was 6, and I was there in Qatar for over 10 years. So, in other words, I grew up there. So, what else? I have 4 siblings, 2 sisters, 2 brothers. I'm the second oldest. The whole family right now is in the Qatar. I was left here with my cousin because I was studying here in the Philippines, De La Salle, Canlubang. What else? I love music. Music makes me feel relaxed. Relaxes me. Any kind of music, even if it's hardcore or R&B. What else? Basketball is my sports, even though I'm not that tall. But it's not all about being tall, yo. It's all about skills. So, I got nothing else to say. That's all for now. Ciao. Peace. Louis or LJ, either of the two. I'm 17 years old.
Ulit, lumabo. Ge, tuloy mo na doon.
Okay.
Luksong na lang natin. Nakaupo ka na.